I don't want you to cry. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay. So after that we went for the surgery.
Back to our channel, and yeah, happy new year. Happy new year to our subscribers. Welcome back to our channel. This is Daudu and Esther here again. I'm super excited because like this is our first sit down video for the year.
In a long while, actually. It's like
in a long while. This is our first sit down video, and I'm very excited. Like, yo, we're still on YouTube.
Right.
Like, we're still on YouTube, guys.
What
because
she's trying to tell you guys that she was actually thinking of quitting at some point.
yeah, I was actually thinking of quitting and stopping.
No, you know, if you work, pull it with.
Why won't it work?
Because no, I'm enjoying this YouTube, man.
Guys, that's a long story for either later in the video or for another day, because it's not really easy. It's really not easy, like making videos, editing, and a little chit chats with our subscribers and like non-subscribers as well, just in case this video comes across any one of you. Yeah, we just want to have like a little chit chat and like
a brief rundown of how our 2020 was like,
yeah,
and what we're expecting towards 2021.
Yeah, and like some of the things we had to go through behind the cameras that we didn't really want to share in 2020. So we're just going to like give you a little bit of some of those rundown, and yeah, right?
Yep.
Why are you looking lost?
I'm not looking lost. I'm just letting you take the floor, like.
Okay.
Today, you go first.
I should go first. Are you serious? So yeah, basically last year was like a great year regardless of everything that happened. You guys know the pandemic. He just came in and like hit us
hard.
So hard without us even like knowing what was happening. Like lockdown, a lot of things happening, people losing their jobs, people dying, like so many things happened last year, honestly. Like you being alive to see 2021 is like something miraculous. It's something to be thankful for, like regardless of the situation you're going through, like whatever is happening with you, just be thankful for seeing this new year, and just know that with time things will definitely get better.
There's always light at the end of the tunnel.
There's always light at the end of the tunnel. So I remember last year, we started our YouTube channel the year before, and last year made it 1 year for us being on YouTube. I could remember January last year we were having like 200
subscribers.
Yeah, like 200 plus subscribers. I saw like
we saw like a screenshot picture. Yeah, we saw like
notified me like you took this picture, you screenshotted this January, blah blah blah. They gave me a date. I was like, wow. So this was like kind of number of subscribers we're having in January, and like to God be the glory, like we're able to hit 1K subscribers last year. Not just hitting 1K subscribers, we got
monetized, we got our pin.
Yeah, last year. So God was really faithful on that aspect on YouTube. And
when it comes to YouTube, actually we're very grateful, because it's been a long journey. Like we said in the beginning, she actually was thinking of quitting at some point.
Yeah,
like,
guys,
she's getting frustrated. Why is the views not coming up? Why is it? And believe you guys, if you guys know the effort this beautiful lady here she's putting towards the whole channel thing, you guys will pick up your phone, your laptops and everything and subscribe. But truly, truth be told, we're very grateful for last year. Aside from that, we also have a bigger thing coming up front. We also got to work with a brand. Strength of Seduction. For those that have not watched the video, just check our videos, you see
7 minutes couples workouts. That was like a sponsored video from Strength of Seduction. We got paid for it, and
it's like really big journey for us last year, and we're very grateful for how everything turned out, and we are hoping this year something much more greater
things will come in, honestly. So last year journey was somehow, at some point I just thought like, you know what, let's just stop this whole YouTube thing.
It's not working out, it's not coming out. It's like, what's wrong? We just keep doing videos, and our watch hour is not improving, it's not really going further. It's just somehow. But really thank God for everyone that supported us during that period when we tried coming up with watch hours and everything. We thank everyone that tried helping us and putting everything together to make it possible. We thank you for our new subscriber that joined within that period. Wow, you guys are so amazing. And those that have been involved, that have been following us from onset, you guys are so wonderful.
Yeah, and also like group of, like I joined a group last year, like a YouTube community group.
That's why I said if you guys know the effort this lady puts, like she joined a lot of groups. Jeez.
Like this one was like the major one for me, because at some points those ones were just like trainings and all about YouTube, but like I joined a YouTube community group, and like ever since I met those set of people, they've really been helpful. Like they come up, watch our videos, encourage us. Like it's so encouraging to know that a set of people are always willing to watch you guys. Like no matter what video you make, they would watch for you and like comment and encourage you. So that was really helpful on that aspect. So yeah, that's that on the YouTube journey. Then what happened again? Yeah, in 2020, guys, you guys know we got engaged, and yeah, I've been actually looking forward to us getting engaged actually.
Really?
Yeah, because we've been dating for a while, so
it's not long. We've not been dating for too long, guys. Don't take it personal.
Okay, I wasn't looking forward to.
Why did you change your mind?
I said it. You said
you should have. Are you?
So I wasn't looking forward, but it happened, guys. I don't know, it just happened. I wasn't looking forward to it. I didn't care.
You were looking forward to it. Stop lying.
You
can't change it. You said it on camera already. She was looking forward to it, guys, and it happened, in a very spectacular way.
Yeah, the most beautiful way, like what I wanted, everything, like it just happened. And jeez, I was so excited, and I was really that period was like the peak period of everything. I was super okay, guys, so that's it about the proposal. And I just like noticed that like a lot of things have changed personally, like within me. I know D is like someone that is not shy. He has always been the outspoken person and not shy, but me, I've always been the one that keeps to myself, sort of. I'm not really more of like someone that speaks a lot, or that I don't know, that is very open or not shy when it comes to the camera. But I noticed that like from last year to this moment, a lot has changed. If you watch our previous videos, you see how calm I used to be in the video, and you know, I just put in words when words are meant to be put in. Aside from that, you just see me looking and like very calm and chilled, and he's doing most of the talking and everything. But I noticed that like a lot has changed. I think I've worked on that aspect, and now I'm like more outspoken. I'm trying my best to feel comfortable in front of the camera. So those are like the changes that has happened. Yeah. At some point last year, a particular period last year, D had a surgery. So that period was like very emotional for me. He's someone that is really strong. Guys, when I mean strong, he doesn't just wake up and be like, I'm going to the clinic. He doesn't wake up and be like, I'm going to the hospital. He doesn't wake up and be like anything. He doesn't at all. He's always really strong and kicking around. But when this particular thing happened, and he told me that I'm feeling this and that, and I was like, are you serious? Is it really something that's been bothering you? He's like, yes, that he thinks he needs to go to the hospital. When he said so, I was like, wow. Like, you want to go to the hospital? Sometimes I just even tell him, like, your health insurance, you're just paying for health insurance and you don't use it. Unlike me, if I have anything, if I'm having stomach pain, headache, whatever, I'm off to the clinic to go and meet them and let them know what's up with me, because I can't be paying monthly health insurance and not make use of it. So yeah, he went to the clinic, and then he was transferred from a small clinic to a bigger clinic, a bigger hospital actually. So yeah, and then when we got there, I'm getting emotional because I'm just reflecting on everything that happened.
When we got there, the doctor just said, okay, he ran some tests and everything, and he's like, okay, you have to just for this thing you have to get an operation or something, like surgery, you have to take it out and blah blah and everything.
Like, so my god.
She was so emotional. I was actually cool with him because I just felt like he's coming, he's just taking something out and you guys should be okay, right?
Just taking something out.
Yeah. I don't know, for me, I didn't really take it.
He didn't take it serious. Like the doctor he was like, there's no big deal about it. Like, it's just a surgery. I'm like, geez, no surgery is small, guys. I don't even want to know whatever they did. If it's just cut and stitch, no surgery is small. So yeah, he
But that was it.
he
I
did
went to
that
the hospital.
surgery.
I don't want you to cry. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay. So after that, we went for the surgery. Went numerous times. Ran test upon test, and the doctor finally concluded we both agreed on doing the operation and everything. So we set a date. I was in the hospital for like 4 or 5 days.
Yeah,
for like 4
the
or
one
5
that was
days.
even like most scary for me was when the doctor called me in to like sign some papers, because like I'm the closest family member
Definitely,
he
you're my
has.
wife. So the doctor
He
called,
has,
she called
so-
her in to sign documents that if there's any complication, blah blah blah, there's nothing they can do about it. So like if there's any complication, and everything, so it's okay, nothing will go wrong and everything. So I stayed in the hospital for like 4 or 5 days, and everything went as planned. The whole surgery went well. We thank God for that.
God showed up for us,
Really
actually.
showed
Like
up,
I
yeah.
prayed so much, and I'm just like feeling like, thank God that it's not like it's at that moment I was feeling like sometimes you'd be praying and think that, oh, you're praying too much, but I just think that some of the prayers we've been praying before, like, just set in during that period that we needed God the most. It just came in, and God really answered our prayers, and everything went smoothly. He healed really fast.
Yeah, actually, the whole process was very fast. It's like so surprising. After like the doctor actually said you have to stay at least 2 months before playing football
Before
or
walking
out or doing anything strenuous. Trust me, after 1 month I was already running around.
He was feeling so good.
Yeah, I was feeling strong and everything. So I think that was it. Though.
Yeah.
That was like the lowest part of our life last year for her. Though, for me.
Yeah.
To
And it was
a
like,
proposal.
Yeah,
we done the proposal then, but she was saying the period we uploaded the proposal video was during the operation period.
yeah,
So
during
during the
surgery
operation, the
period.
surgery period, and she was like,
I didn't
"Are you
want to
sure?"
upload the
I was in the
video.
hospital. I was in the hospital, and she was like, "Are you sure it's okay for me to upload the video?" And she said, "Come on, upload the video. Just do it. Don't worry, I'm okay." And she uploaded a video. I was still in the hospital while the
And he
whole
was
video
replying
and
comments.
I was replying comments from the. I was replying comments from hospital like, "Yeah, I'm okay." I'm
Do you know what
fine."
he said? He's like, upload the video so that when I'm out of like the theater, it's going to be easy for me to like just start replying comments or keep myself busy. I'm like, really?
Yeah, so I spent most
So,
of my time
yeah.
in the hospital replying comments. I was just in the hospital like replying comments and everybody saying, "Hey, congratulations!" Yeah, thanks.
Thanks. Well, yeah, that was it. And yeah, last year was really good. Our jobs were okay, and like everything like
Kind of
really
switched.
good.
We also switched jobs last year to a much better jobs.
Yeah, much
we
better
switched much better position.
and yeah, God has been faithful. What do we want to do for our channel?
Our channel, to be precise, should be the main. This year, our channel is going to be our priority, kind of this year.
Yeah, and you guys, we need your encouragement for the views. We need you guys to watch, because sometimes
Don't let her quit. Don't let her quit. But this year, I don't know. This year, personally, I feel one thing we'll try and work on is all our social media accounts.
Yeah.
We'll try and improve our social media accounts this year. Try to come out like more and try to be like more of an influencer.
Yeah.
Me and you want to influence people, not with influencer, but influence.
Yeah, of course. Anyway, we're just going to like post more consistently. I
Try
think
to.
that's
Yeah.
the word for it. Like,
I said,
post
actually, we've been consistent on YouTube. It's just
Yeah, on YouTube, we've actually
Instagram
been
and Instagram.
trying to
some
be
other accounts.
consistent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
some other accounts we just try and be consistent. TikTok, Instagram, I don't know, Twitter. We hope,
Yeah.
and so on and so forth. So we hope that will be our goal for this year. Our main
Yeah.
goal will be like this year on YouTube. We are aiming to get like 50,000 subscribers.
Woo!
By the special grace of God Almighty.
Amen.
By the special
It
grace of God
happens-
Almighty.
Amen.
50K subscribers.
It happens in December.
No, yeah.
We'll play this video back.
We'll play this video back and just tell you guys. We told you guys.
Oh
that-
my god.
Then
Yeah.
for Instagram, I'm hoping we get to like
10K.
10K followers on Instagram. Like, what do you think?
Yeah.
Is it possible?
With God, all things are possible.
We
Because
can,
this one's
we can.
blabbing like this, trust me.
She said I'm blabbing.
Oh yeah, sorry, you're not blabbing.
Oh my
all these ones he's saying.
That's what you should say I'm saying. Okay, guys, don't worry. At the end of the year, we'll see how it turns out.
Yeah,
don't worry. I know
we're
anyhow.
putting our best as
Yeah,
well.
anyhow it turns out, I know we'll try and we'll definitely improve from where we start from this year
This January.
to then. And
I already took screenshot of our subscriber counts for January.
don't worry, we're definitely going to improve when it comes to. I know we got it on our side. I know. And with our nice followers and subscribers.
We know we'll Thank you all for your support. We really appreciate. We don't take it for granted.
Trust me, we don't.
Yeah, so lastly, I would like to ask you guys, if you have like video, anything you really want us to share that you would like to hear, you can drop it down in the comment section. We're going to like take you guys along and try to see if we can film a video about that, so you guys will have a lot of content to watch and yeah, so on. I think that's all for the video.
At all.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for your support, and we look forward to like seeing you guys more on our channel this year and meeting new subscribers and growing beyond expectation this year. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share videos, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.